Good morning, students. Today's topic is angles. In previous video, we have seen angles related with your previous knowledge. We have seen types of angles. That was zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle. These angles, types of these angles learned. Today we will learn more types of angles. So you can see this reflex angle. I am showing you this. See this angle. Yesterday what I have shown, when it is one ray lying on another layer line segment, then this is zero angle, and when this increases, then what type of angle this is? This is now acute angle, and when it is straight in this way perpendicular to each other, it is called in higher class, then this is right angle. It was acute, now right, 90 degrees right angle. When more than 90 degree, it becomes obtuse angle, and when it is straight, both rays are straight, then this is called straight angle. So yesterday we have seen up till this. Now today more than this, if it is tilts downside, it is straight, more than 180 degree, then what type of this angle? This is called reflex angle. So you can see this is reflex angle. So you see here, this is straight angle, and when this is increasing more, then it is reflex. Now it is reflex, going reflex. This outside, this is reflex. Inside now it is acute, but we are measuring outside, so it is more than 180 and reflex. And when it will make one complete round, it will be called, means from beginning to this making one round, it will be called complete angle, and that measurement will be 360 degree. Taking one round, this measurement will be 360 degree and complete angle. So what is the difference between? We saw this zero angle. Yesterday we have drawn this I have told zero angle. This is zero angle, and today what I am making one round and coming, then also this is 360 degree complete angle. So what is the, how we will show on the figure difference? So the difference is, zero angle we represent only this way. This is zero angle, and this is here when we will show one round. When we show that it is, means one arm has taken one round, complete round, then this is complete angle. So this is zero angle, and this is the figure for complete angle. So this is difference between zero and complete angle. Now come on to the worksheet number 1. This is very easy chapter. Name of the angle. So what will be the name of this angle? By 3 letters. Middle will be the vertex, and 2 points will be the on the arms. So name of this angle will be angle YXZ. Name of this angle will be YXZ. Here name of this angle will be angle phi. So we can see, we can show by single digit also. Now question number 2. More parts are there that we will complete. Now question number 2, angle LMN, reflex angle. This is what type of we have to draw. Question is, what is the question? Question is, draw the following angle as per their type. So as per the type I have drawn, this is reflex angle. Question B, angle Y obtuse. So this will be Y obtuse. Angle C, XYZ, complete angle. So this is incomplete. Now when it will take one round, now it is complete. So XYZ, this is complete angle. D, angle 3, reflex. So outside we will write 3. This is angle 3 is reflex. Now question number 4 is, name the points in the interior of LMN. Now interior point and exterior point. The points which is inside of the angle. जो एंगल के अंदर में रहेगा दैट इज इंटीरियर पॉइंट, और जो एंगल के बाहर रहेगा दैट विल बी एक्सटीरियर. कैसे? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल दिस. नाउ टेल अबाउट दिस, इट इज इंटीरियर और एक्सटीरियर. तो इसको क्या करेंगे? वी विल एक्सटेंड दिस रे, एंड व्हेन वी विल एक्सटेंड द रे एंड वी विल सी इट इज कमिंग इनसाइड, तो ये इंटीरियर हो गया. Now see another example. It is given and suppose point is written here. So what we will write? When we will extend and we will see, after extending we will see this point is inside or outside. When the points are between the two arms, उसके अंदर में है, then it is interior point, and if it is point is outside, then this is the exterior. So this is very easy. Interior and exterior is first question is name the point in the interior. So here what points will be in the interior? Y, point B, point C. Name the points which lie in the angular region. Now angular region means which comes under the inside and points on the triangle. This also comes. This name is given M. So what is the angular region? Angular region means the points inside and on the angle. This is together it is called angular region. जो अंदर बस में है दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटीरियर पॉइंट, और जो बाहर में है ये पॉइंट ये एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट होगा. और एंगुलर रीजन का पॉइंट मतलब जो अंदर में भी है और वहाँ पे एंगल के ऊपर भी है. कौन कौन सा पॉइंट एंगल के ऊपर है? ऑन द एंगल एन एम एल, ये 3 पॉइंट इस एंगल पे है. तो ये 3 ऑन द एंगल और 3 अंदर, ये दोनों मिला के एंगुलर रीजन हो जाएगा. सो 6 पॉइंट्स विल बी ऑन द एंगुलर रीजन. Now question number 5. Write another name of the following angles in this figure. Angle 1. Angle 1 का बोल रहा है another name. So what will be another name? Angle का name we give by 3 letters. तो angle 1 का 3 लेटर में क्या होगा नाम? A B G. AFG का another name AFG. AF है AFG. तो AFG का another name क्या होगा? 4. AFG के बीच में कौन आया नेम? दूसरा नेम 4. एंगल 2 का अनदर नेम, एंगल 2 यहाँ पे है, दिस पॉइंट इज ई रिटेन है, तो इसका दूसरा नाम क्या होगा? 3 लेटर में GED या DEG, दोनों नेम राइट है, दोनों बोथ आर सेम. एंगल GED या DEG, तो एंगल 2 का दूसरा नेम हो गया. एंगल 5 का दूसरा नेम क्या होगा? Angle 5 is made by this line and this line, so EGD या DGE. तो ऐसे आप दे सकते हैं. तो today's homework is up till question number 5. So up till 5 you solve, 6, 7, 8 tomorrow I will solve. Okay.